Hey y'all, welcome back to Kami Studio. It's been a while since I've done a caricature, and I think it's about time I got back on that bandwagon. I've done Dave Picciuto and Jimmy Dresta already of the Making It podcast. I think it's about time I've done Bob Clagett. I quite like Bob's work in his videos because he does fun projects, he's got great production values, plus he's a Star Wars nerd like me. I've got a May the 4th video coming out on Friday to show you how to make this lightsaber. Anyway, let's get to it.